So full time you're at Park Avenue, Aberystwyth 3, Llanelli 1 and Q and Nev Powell. Nev, what was said at half time? Because there was a huge improvement second half.
Yeah, obviously first half wasn't good enough, Matt. The players knew that. We were second to every ball. We were sloppy. I don't know whether the midweek game at Welshpool took its toll, but as you say, we changed it round a bit at half time, and we had a few words with the boys in the dressing room. And second half we dominated. Every one of them done their jobs, and when they do that, we're going to make chances. We're going to score goals. We're going to win games. And as you say, it was a game of two halves where Teddy McCormack kept us in his first half with a save at the end. We could have gone in 2-0 down. We went in 1-0, we changed a couple of things round and it worked. We were a much better side, different side, and as you say, the introduction of Rio Amadi caused them a lot of problems, and we've gone on to win the game comfortably in the end.
As you said there, Rio coming on half time and we changed it up tactically, going 2 up top with new signing Ruan. That's pleasing for you as a management, seeing you've got those different styles of play you can
Well,
adopt.
exactly. It's all about changing it when you need to, and Rio's been carrying a bit of a hamstring strain the last few weeks, so we decided to leave him on the bench. But you can see when they both played up there together, him and Ash, they looked a force, and they held trouble defences in the league. And as you say, but we were a lot tighter and all over the park second half, at the back especially. We won every header, every second ball in midfield, and the lads done their jobs, and we've just said that to them there now in the dressing room. And when we are on our game, we're a difficult team to beat, and as you say, we need more of them second half performances in the next few weeks.
And our second half performance will lead in the next 2 games. We've got 2 tough games against Powell and TNS, but go full of confidence after that.
Well, we've targeted them 8 teams below them. That we must win games, and we beat Llandudno and we beat Llanelli. So we'll go to TNS and we'll have a game plan, and the same with Ballard. And fingers crossed we can get some points from them. If we perform like we did second half today, we'll trouble most teams in the league. So we've got a 10-day break. We'll train hard, we'll rest up. The lads have got knocks. We've got Alan Goodall come back off holiday. He's come in and done a great 70 minutes for us tonight with his experience, and we've signed Asheran. So we've got a decent little squad in there, and as you say, they all want to play, and the only way they'll be getting the 1 to 11 start in place is performing well week in, week out, and we look at that second half performance, and that's what we're after.
Nev, many thanks for your time.